Jumping right into things, guys, I'm going to be priming my face with my Milani 3-in-1 spray, and then moving right on to eyes. I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking the shade Raw Sienna and applying that as my transition color. I'm just going to blend that away. To define the crease a little more, I'm going to go in with the shade Warm Taupe with the same brush and just apply that to my crease. For the lid color, I believe I'm using red ochre, and I'm just applying this in patting motions on both of my lids, and I'm slowly building up the color until it's my desired shade. Next, I'm using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using the black shade, and I'm applying this to my outer V. With a clean crease brush, I'm going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to be applying with my wing liner, and I'm using my NYX eyeliner in the shade Matte Black. That's probably my most requested video tutorial ever, is how I get my winged eyeliner so sharp. So that is definitely coming soon. Next, moving on to face, I'm using my Covergirl Healthy Elixir foundation in the shade Soft Honey, and I'm applying that directly to my face. And then to blend that out, I'm going to be using my Clarity Round Top Kabuki brush, and I'm just going to buff that into my skin for a flawless finish. For concealer, I'm using my L'Oreal Pro Infallible. In the shade 02, and I'm just going to highlight and conceal underneath my eyes and my chin and my forehead. And I'm going back in with my Clarity Round Top Kabuki brush and blending that in. To contour, I'm using my Beauty Treats palette, and I'm taking the darkest shade, and I'm using a fluffy fan brush to apply that to the hollows of my cheeks. Now I'm blending out the under eye concealer with the same brush. And I'm setting that with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm applying that with the flat foundation brush. my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to dust away all the powder that I used to set my face with. To set my face, I'm going back in with my Milani setting spray, the 1 in 3 one. And then for highlight, I'm using my Megaglo highlighting palette from Wet n Wild in the shade Blushing Azalea. And I like to apply my highlight after I set my face so that it's damp and it gives you a more popping highlight. And for lipstick today, I'm using my Colourpop liquid lipstick, Ultra Matte, in the shade Limbo. And if I forgot to mention any products, they will be listed in the bottom bar down below. And that completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and I will see y'all in my next one.